if you're seeing brown spots on your ceiling, it's typically one of two things. It's an indication of moisture or water infiltration in your attic space, and it's made its way typically through the insulation and down onto your ceiling. And so it could be indicative of a couple things. And one is it's moisture buildup, which could be an improperly insulated or ventilated attic space, which wouldn't be necessarily a roof issue, but that's probably the first thing to check. And then second would be if that checks out, it's typically there's a leak that's coming in. And so it could be a workmanship issue from the roof. It could be an older aging roof or just a problem area. Most common places to start leaking would be anywhere there's a break in the roof itself, like there's a pipe that sticks through or an exhaust vent hole or a chimney or a sidewall, anything like that. Those tend to be the first places that a roof will start leaking as it ages. But that's all the things that you'd want someone to look at if you start to see the spots on your ceiling. Water can be tricky, and so it definitely isn't always a roof leak that's caused it. If there's attic space above the area, that's really helpful in tracking it down. Now, I'm assuming that we're talking about a stain on the upper level. If it's a lower level ceiling, then we're not talking about a roof leak. It would be something like a water line or water getting in some other way. But it's not uncommon that we go searching for a leak, the source of a leak, and it's a pipe or something that's even sweating, or it's gotten a leak over time, and typically that means we need to call a plumber.